Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert GGives to GCash wallet without GPO. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. But the question is, can we do it? All right. Well, unfortunately, you cannot convert GGives directly to a GCash wallet, as GGives is a credit line that must be used for purchases, not a direct transfer of funds. Now, just basically use it whenever you need to purchase or buy something to a GCash-enabled merchant or shop within the GCash app, where you can just go ahead and select a GGives installment plan at checkout. This means GGives can be used to buy goods and services that you can then pay for using your loan, rather than being transferred to your available balance. Now, next time, if you want to borrow something from GCash, you can just go ahead and maybe go to borrow right here and just use either GCredit or GLoan, as it will be automatically converted as a GCash wallet money. Okay, again, you can go ahead and use GGives to pay with a GCash at the cashier. Just basically log into your GCash account and then select GGives as the payment method. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.